Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create WeChat account. Well, it's a pretty straightforward process once you've downloaded a WeChat app in your phone. So I'm on Android. So I've downloaded WeChat like so. There is my WeChat. Now let's open it. This is the home screen that you're going to see. So let's select sign up since we want to create a new account. So we can use sign up via Facebook or mobile. So let's select via mobile. So we're gonna need to enter these details. Select the country. Again, enter your mobile number. Enter a password and accept and continue. So before you can accept and continue, you need to make sure you've also checked this box radio button. So it's saying we don't have internet connection. So once you've checked this box, accept and continue. Now I have read and acknowledged the privacy policy. Next. So WeChat is making its security much more strict. So for that, you need to make sure that you don't uninstall WeChat account often or even never, because if you want to add a new device, WeChat is gonna ask you to verify your new device using the old phone's app. So that's that. Here we need to authenticate. So click in this order, click and okay. Alright, a verification code has been sent to our phone with this phone number. Once you've entered the verification code, click on next. It is saying WeChat will upload the address book or address contacts of ours to its server to help find out which of our mobile contacts are using WeChat. So we're gonna say okay, because there is no other option. Access your contacts, allow, and again allow. So consent required for WeChat. Just click on next. So yeah, I have read and understand the above. Next. Same for this screen, and next. And there we have it. We have successfully created a WeChat account. If you found this video helpful, do give this video a big thumbs up. And if you still have any questions or problems regarding creating account in WeChat, do leave them in the comment section. We'll get back to you right away. Until next time, bye-bye.